Today we're going to unbox this sticker. So let's open it now.
It's from... Can you see it? Achu girl. Sorry, upside down.
Achu girl. Achu girl. So let's open
Sticker.
sticker.
Alright,
So let's open it.
careful. Don't cut inside.
Wow.
Alright, what's inside? What's that? Show them. What's that?
Thank you.
Show to them.
So let's open it.
Okay, should do that.
What?
So this is sticker from
Achu
girl and
Achu.
Achu boy.
Yes. I mean, why they give to me?
Okay, let's check inside. What's inside? Open up.
Did they make their homemade sticker? Wow.
Wow. What can you see? Oh,
Whoa.
sorry. Oops.
We got these two cats.
Stickers of the cat. Oh, sorry. Cats.
What's this?
Sticker.
What's
Yeah. And then what's that?
It's a sticker.
It's postcards.
Yeah.
Postcards.
And these are snacks and desserts.
And these are postcard.
I don't love this one.
You don't love. She don't love putu piring, guys. She don't love this one. Okay, next.
Whoa.
What's that?
It's your family picture.
Family.
Yeah.
Okay, next. Family.
And this one is the little cute.
Wait, what's that?
Appreciate yourself.
Appreciate yourself. Alright. Appreciate yourself.
And yourself. And
Okay,
yourself.
what's that?
Maybe no, it's just only for me.
This one. You still have this one stickers.
Yeah.
Open up.
Wait, what sticker is that?
Stickers inside.
What is it?
Open up.
Wow.
Fauna Dorseps. It's a sticker.
Whoa.
Show them.
We got an elephant girl
Show them to the camera. Show the
and a
camera.
bunny girl and a bear girl. The last one is a deer girl. So close. So let's see what.
There.
What's
Nothing inside. This all. So this is
the sticker.
stickers. See?
I'm going to put one on my hand.
If you are interested to buy, you can get it at where is it?
Achu girl and Achu
Shop.
girl. Yeah, Achu girl make her own shop.
Okay.
I put it on my
Is
hand.
These are the information.
Yeah.
Can you read it?
Oh.
Can you read it? This side. My Hana Sofea, Hana Sofea. Instagram.
And it says,
And it has note.
it says, Dear Kachi, thank you for your order. I hope these items will the
Illustrations.
illustrations on them will make your day better than a little bit. Take care and stay safe. XO, Hana Sofea.
Okay, but should you say to Achu girl?
It's so nice.
Okay, what do you think?
It's postcards.
Will you give it to your friends?
Yeah. Because it's so nice.
So nice.
And the sticker so hard.
Alright, okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you next time.